Welcome, lovely viewers, to another video channel for DigiSales. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can be updated anytime there is new update for all DigiSales users. DigiSales is a software that is used in any kind of trading environment or shop. It's a server-based and a very powerful system. So I entreat you spread the good news and join the DigiSales family across the country. Thank you. Most people ask, how do we use the software? Yes, when you have DigiSales installed on your premises or on your machine or on your sales machine, the first thing you need to do is to set certain conditions right. We have the first condition for people who are not using pro forma invoice or any kind of invoice, but they are just using the software to sell. The second condition, precondition, for users who want to use the pro forma invoices or the purchases invoice or the pro forma invoice, they have more requirements to fill for the start. So this video is dedicated to those using it to sell without the use of pro forma invoice. What should you do in the beginning? Kindly work with me as I demonstrate what you need to do at the beginning of DigiSales. You first go to registration. Click on the registration tab. A pull down menu is going to open for you. When it opens, kindly go to pay mode. You create a pay mode. You create item condition. Those are the two requirements for people using the software to sell without using the invoicing features. I will create another video for those who want to use the invoice features. So let's start. Pay mode. You go to create. When you click on create, a simple dialog box is going to open. It will ask you for one thing: your sales mode. So what are the sales mode? It's either credit, it's either cash, it's either check. If you are in the service business, I entreat you to enter the names of every staff providing a services on your premises, because I am sure most of these service providers pay under commission. Therefore, you need to enter the names of the service providers so that you can know the amount of money they have generated for a month, on which you give them their due commission. So that is how sales mode is created. So you just enter credit, if you allow credit, Momo, if you allow mobile money, cash, if you allow cash, check, if you allow checks. And for the service businesses, the name of the service providers if you provide commission for them. So Kofi, Kwame, or Ama, who is probably a hairstylist at your shop, and therefore as a hairstylist you need to pay her commission at the end of the month. So after you have entered it, kindly click on OK. then you get to see a notification, pay mode created. So that is how you create a pay mode or a sales mode. It's all the same. You go to registration again, and then you click on item condition. Under item condition, all the system wants to know is what type of goods or services do you provide. If you provide fresh services, kindly enter new. If it's stock and they are new, kindly enter new. If you are into second-hand business, kindly enter second-hand. If you are into pharmacy, kindly enter new drugs, and so on and so forth. So this is how we create item condition. So if you are in the food business, you can click on fresh and click OK. So we have created the second condition. The last condition, but not the least, is to enter the name of the supplier. There is a video dedicated for this, so please kindly watch that video and fulfill these 3 conditions. Then you are ready to start using DigiSales for trading. Thank you very much for watching.